This is your 6 Sports Report.
Hey everyone, I'm Iran Hammy, and I want to introduce you to Mr. George Luna. He's the athletic director at Bishop ISD. However, he hasn't been at work for a few months now. Luna was given a diagnosis this year that has since gotten worse, and as he awaits updates, it's described as riding a roller coaster at Six Flags. As is any good role model, he's not alone in his fight, and if you listen to the people around him, you'll know why.
He is a phenomenal man. Beautiful man, beautiful at everything he does.
Bishop ISD Superintendent Christina Gutierrez began at the district in 2000. The same year, George Luna signed on to be a PE teacher. Eventually, he'd introduce the powerlifting program to Bishop and become the athletic director.
He's always been there at the football games, you know, if I scored a touchdown, or he could be the first one to come up and celebrate with me. And if I made a bad play, he'd be the first one to get on me and tell me to get my head up.
This is Jace Wilson, Luna's stepson. Wilson has been around Luna most of his life at home and at school while he competed in football, basketball, and track. So it's been hard for Wilson to see his stepfather in a San Antonio hospital. He's made trips to see Luna or talk to Luna on the phone each day. He's trying to keep positive thoughts.
He was really good and joking around still, and which is always good. Getting him to laugh and, you know, just try not to talk about the situation with them.
Luna was diagnosed with cirrhosis of the liver a few months ago. He managed it okay until he was told a liver transplant is needed.
When I got sick, he was there. And so to hear someone so strong and like always kept it well together, seeing them kind of like go through a hard time, it really hits a person hard.
We have been up and down on this roller coaster ride.
To receive a new liver, his heart needed to be evaluated. An existing issue was discovered in a heart valve. Doctors told him they couldn't fix his heart and therefore could not get him a new liver. Because of his heart and liver issues, his kidneys were working overtime, and that created another obstacle.
You believe that he's going to be sent home, he's going to be put on medication, and nature will just take care of what's going to happen to George.
Then, Houston Methodist called with a glimmer of hope. They told Luna they think they could give him a heart and liver transplant, but more bad news followed.
The kidneys were giving so much trouble right now that they didn't think it was going to be possible for Methodist in Houston to accept him.
A few hours later that same day, the roller coaster started climbing high again. Houston Methodist came back to say as soon as a bed is available in ICU, we'll take you in.
So it was enough to give him a breath of fresh air and to give him some hope, and it gave us hope.
The town of Bishop has been restless waiting for updates from the guy who's been a father figure throughout the school district.
My faith never dwindled whenever it came to his health. Like, if there's one thing he taught me how to be is strong, and that's how I have to be for him.
Support is coming in many forms. It's the positive messages from fellow athletic directors on social media. It's a fundraising golf tournament. It's BISD staff picking up the work that needs to get done while George and his wife Sherry are away, and it's prayers.
If you see us in public, don't be scared to talk to us, and we want to get talked to. We want to know that people are there and people are thinking about us, and that it brings our spirits up, and as well as Luna's.
A GoFundMe page has been created for the Luna family as they continue to battle. George Luna is currently waiting for a bed to open up at Houston Methodist Hospital. As you can imagine, those medical bills are already piling up. If you'd like to help the Luna family, you can find donation information on our website, christv.com. For Chris 6 Sports, I'm Iran Hammy.